Oh, son, have you found anything? Any villains escaped from jail? I'm getting bored. No, Dad, I haven't found anything. Sorry, it's just a... Oh my God. Oh, what the... Oh, great Scott, Father, my dear father. The evil construction worker just escaped from the jail cell. Son. Yep. What's it, Dad? What the? I'm not going to tell you about Great Scott. It's the 21st century. People don't say that anymore. Well, we better find the evil construction worker right away. Any people's lives are at risk. You're right, man. You're right, son. To Emperor Palpatine shuttle. Oh my God. Oh my God. Father, why don't you just use the stairs, man? Because this was faster. Professor, have you revealed already the Emperor Palpatine shuttle? Actually, sir, I haven't. No time, Professor. Oh my God, no! I'm not grabbing that piece of trash. I think in my dad's car. Let's go. Let's go. Wait. Alright, let's go. Oh my God, Darth Vader is here. That kind of sucks. Oh, evil droid. I think it's time to fire the missiles. Yes, sir. This time your plans are foiled again, evil construction worker. Don't be too sure. Bang! You suck, man. Maybe so. Maybe it's still I suck, but I'm still gonna kill you. Son, get away from this madman. Dad, why aren't you in your mask? The construction worker will know your true identity. No time, man. But I don't think so, man. I'm never going back to jail again. Ow! Oh! Whoa! I'm gonna get you! Professor, come in, Professor. I'm here, sir. I hear you loud and clear, sir. Oh yeah, would you get the Ferrari car from you from there? It's right there in the parking space. Yes, sir. are gonna fail, man. Not today. Not today, man. Oh, thanks a lot, Spider-Man. No problem. You cracked me up. Alright, let's go. You'll never stop me, man. Not today. Oh yeah? We're gonna stop you for once and then for all. Let's fire the missiles. No! We did it, man. Thanks so much, Spider-Man. Yeah. Bye, Spider-Man. Bye. Meanwhile. Yeah. Hey, son. Would you want to go stop evil construction worker again? Huh? Hello, son? Yeah, whatever. Nice.